Hello, my name is Jed Albring and welcome to this video on ClickFunnels Mailchimp. So if you're here, you're probably looking to integrate Mailchimp with ClickFunnels, or maybe use ClickFunnels already and you want to integrate ClickFunnels with Mailchimp. Well, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you a couple options and it's super simple to do. The first step is to go up to the top right corner of your dashboard, go to Account Settings, and then you want to integrate your Mailchimp with ClickFunnels. So you just simply add New Integration. Go to Mailchimp, and then it's going to ask for your API key. So, and also you can give it a nickname, whatever you want to call it, but all you have to do is go to your Mailchimp account, go to Extras, and then click on API keys, okay? When you click on that, you'll see your API key. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to expose my key, but just simply click on that, and you'll see your API key. You copy it, and then you paste it here. So now when you go to integrations, after you add the integration, you'll see Mailchimp pop up. Okay, now when you're inside your funnel, this is how you select it. So now you always have to make sure that you have an opt-in form on the funnel step that you're integrating with. Okay, so it can be a pop-up, it can be a actual input form. In this particular case, I have a pop-up. Okay, so you can see here I have a field to collect the information. So now what I would do is go to Settings, Integration. I'm going to select my Mailchimp because I just integrated. Now I can select the action. Do I want to add it to a list when they come in? And then I would choose my list. After I choose my list, it says connected. Always go back to Settings and then double check that you have this green check mark. That means you're set to go. So now when people log in here, the contact is going to be saved in ClickFunnels, and it's also going to be added to your Mailchimp list. So you'll have the contact in two different places, which is nice. Now your other option is to use Zapier, where you can get a free account. I'm not going to go into too much detail here because typically you're only really going to need to just integrate it here. But what you would do is set up what's called a Zap. So all you would do is find ClickFunnels, and you're going to connect ClickFunnels and zap it with Mailchimp. Okay, if you've never been here before, it's super easy to do. Let's make one real quick here. So the first thing you do is, since you're coming from ClickFunnels, you want to select ClickFunnels first. Okay, and it's just going to prompt you to do the steps: new activity, save and continue. Obviously, you're going to have it integrated. I'm going to choose my steps. It's going to be an opt-in. I want the funnel that I just picked, so I want it to be my test webinar funnel. Continue. All right, I'm going to skip that step. You always want to make sure you have at least one contact put in there. And then the second part is to add your next step, and this is going to be your action. So I want to go from ClickFunnels to, you guessed it, Mailchimp. And then here I'm going to add or update a subscriber, save and continue. It's already connected to my Mailchimp account. So you would just integrate your Mailchimp and everything with it. And then it'll give you all the options, right? You can choose your audience, right, where it's coming from. Subscriber email. So you always want to add one email into the field so it knows what to pull. And then all this other stuff is optional. And once you've done that, you hit continue. And now anything that comes into that funnel will go into your Mailchimp account, into the list that you asked for. But again, I recommend just sticking with the simple integration within ClickFunnels. Thank you so much for watching. That's ClickFunnels Mailchimp. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you're new to ClickFunnels, I'll leave a link below where you can sign up for a free trial. I am an affiliate, so I do appreciate it if you end up signing up. Helps me keep my channel up. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.